With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. In this video we have a question that the renal fluid that is present in the part of renal tubule which is impermeable to water but permeable to salts. So the reason is, so let's understand first this what is the question is saying. Okay, basically there is a renal fluid present in all renal tube, right? So there are different renal tubes are present in the nephron kidney, right? So that renal tube contains some renal fluid. So here we have the diagram. Here you can see there are renal tubes are here, right? So these renal tubes have inside in these renal tubes they have some renal fluid, understand? So they are talking about this renal fluid, that this renal fluid present in this renal tube is impermeable to water. Impermeable to water, that means they are not allowing water to come in. Understand? Impermeable, that means that they are not allowing the water. That means this renal fluid. Who is that? Renal fluid is that which is not allowing the water to come inside in the renal tube. Understand? So this renal fluid is not allowing the water to come inside in the renal tube, but it is permeable. That means it is allowing the salts. Understand? So this renal fluid present in this renal tube will not allow to water to come inside, but it will allow to salts to come inside. So why it is allowing only salts to come inside? So reasons are there in the option. First option is the hypertonic to medullary fluid, hypotonic to medullary fluid, isotonic to cortical fluid, and hypertonic to blood and isotonic to cortical fluid. So now just understand this term. Before that, we have to understand what is the hypertonic, isotonic, and hypotonic. So in this diagram, you can see hypertonic, that means if we have any solution and in that solution, hypertonic means that water molecules are removing out. Understand? So hypertonic means if there is any solution can be there. So in that solution, when water molecule removes out, that condition will be hypertonic. Isotonic means that in any solution, if the amount of water molecule removing is same with the amount of water molecule coming inside, means in and out both are equal. Understand? So suppose if two molecules are removing out, then two molecules will also come inside. So that would be the isotonic, means equally coming and going out. Understand? Next, same with the solution. If that solution is hypotonic, means just water molecules are only coming inside that solution. Any solution that can be, and in that solution, water molecules are coming in only. Understand? So the water molecules are not moving out, they are just moving in. And here in the hypertonic, they are just moving out only. Understand? So now we can understand our options. So first option is saying that hypertonic to medullary fluid. So hypertonic means what? Hypertonic means that removing of water molecule, right? Here in this first diagram it is mentioned, right? So hypertonic of medullary fluid. So basically medullary fluid means here that is outer medulla and inner medulla, right? So these portion is overall will be said as medullary fluid. Medullary fluid. Understand? Because this is only the medulla region, that's why we are writing here only medullary fluid. So here we should write medullary fluid. Understand? So this portion here we have the outer medulla and inner medulla. That portion will be said as medullary fluid, and in that medullary fluid they are saying that it is hypertonic. Hypertonic means water removing out. So here you can see that hypertonic from the medullary fluid. So this part is medullary fluid. This part is a renal fluid. So they are removing from this medullary fluid. Does it happening? No, because Actually, the water molecules are getting removed from renal fluid, not from the medullary fluid. Understand? That's why this option is wrong. So that's why here this option is wrong. Next is hypotonic to medullary fluid. Correct opposite condition. We know that hypotonic means coming inside. So these water molecules, you can see these water molecules are getting removed from this renal fluid, and they are coming in the outer solution. Here the outer part is also solution. This outer part is also a solution, and that solution is called as medullary fluid. So that's why these water molecules are coming in this solution. Hypotonic means coming in the solution. So water molecules are coming in the solution of medullary fluid, right? This one is the correct one because it is coming in the medullary fluid. The water molecules are coming in the medullary fluid and going out from the renal fluid. Next, isotonic to cortical fluid. So cortical fluid, that means present in the cortex. Here this will be the cortical. So all this is a cortical fluid, understand? So they are coming in the cortical fluid. So cortical isotonic means if the amount of going water inside and coming inside will be equal. So here basically the water amount which is coming inside and coming outside is not equal because some water molecule are also removed here. So no isotonic solution. So this is also wrong. Next we have that is hypertonic to blood. So blood, here we have some blood also which is also gets filtered, right? So hypertonic means that removing water molecule out from the blood. No, the blood molecules are not getting removed from the blood. So any molecule, any water molecule is not getting removed from the blood. That's why this is also wrong. And isotonic to cortical fluid, as we told in the third option, this is also wrong. The remaining right option is only that is second one, hypotonic to medullary fluid. And as we told, hypotonic means what? Understand once again. Hypotonic, that means coming inside only. The water molecules are coming in only. And yes, this is a solution which is a medullary fluid solution. And in this medullary fluid, the water molecules are coming from this renal fluid, coming out from this renal fluid and coming in the medullary fluid. Understand? So that's why this is only second statement which is right. So our whole statement will be said as renal fluid present in the part of renal tubule is impermeable to water but permeable to salts is hypotonic to medullary fluid. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.